What's up guys, Cruz here with Buttoned Up, and I am back on the IG to give you guys a little behind the scenes on how we operate on a wedding day. And today we're talking about shooting video and how specifically we shoot it and what format we shoot in. But what we do is we go to a wedding day and we shoot in what's called a log format. I shoot on Canon, so I shoot specifically C-Log, but it might change from Sony to Nikon to, even if you're shooting on a drone, it could be D-Log if you're shooting on a Mavic. The reason we shoot this is because we want to preserve as much color and as much detail as possible. And so you shoot in what's called a log format so you can see everything, which makes it look like this. This is what it really looks like. This is what it looks like straight out of the camera. It looks great, it looks dingy, but as you can see, the highlights are exposed really well, the shadows are exposed really well, my midtones are exposed really well. But then when we apply a color grade to it, it looks like this. And that's why we shoot. And so just to show you really quick what a drone shot looks like on a wedding day, I'm gonna show you guys a drone shot here from a view West Shores, which when you're shooting at West Shores, it's really hard to make it look bad. But this is one drone shot that I specifically fell in love with, and it's when we start looking down and we pan up to actually looking at the venue as we fly it over the water. Now, as you can see, the drone shot looks really gray. It looks really boring. It's not something that anyone would particularly want in their wedding films, but we do this on purpose. So we shoot this because it was really, really sunny out. The sun was high noon, and I can tell you right now, if I shot in just a regular standard picture format, it would look really, really, really bad. It would look like super white, super washed out. And so what we did, we shot in a log format and we applied this color grade. So you can see the before, you can see the after. I'll put them side by side here. This is what it looked like before, that's what it looked like after, and this is why we shoot in a log format. And so wedding couples out there, if you're curious on how we shoot on a wedding day, this is exactly how we approach your day, because we want to make sure that you guys are getting the best wedding films possible. And so for creatives out there, if you guys are looking for any tips, any tricks, how to go into a wedding day, how to shoot better, how to color grade your footage better, feel free to reach out to us at We Are Buttoned Up on Instagram. Check us out on Facebook. We're on YouTube. You can pigeon mail us, smoke signal. We're still learning, you guys are still learning, and this is a field, this is an industry where you have to continue to learn, to grow, and to continue to get better. I've met some amazing videographers here in the state of Nebraska, some amazing photographers, and I'm looking forward to working with more beautiful wedding couples like yourselves, along with you amazing wedding veterans. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. Like I said, I'm gonna be posting up way more videos like this so that way we can talk more, so that way you can get an idea of exactly how we work and what we do to make sure that we get our wedding couples the best product possible. Thank you guys so much for listening. Feel free to give us a follow. Peace out, guys.